All right. This is an open death threat against me levied by Lee 6 minutes ago. I smashed the local narcs video into pieces because they were nonsense lies. The Earth's axis tilted, the moon is doing a cartwheel. He did it with words. He tried to steal my videos and say they were his. Actually, um, Jesus. Lee tried to steal John's work on 1748 hertz. We had showed Lee something he had discovered with putting all these magnets under a millimeter of water that they were exhibiting 1748 hertz. And he literally made a video trying to claim 1748 hertz as his discovery. Um, he goes on about the several videos he took down. We all watched him take them down. He changed the entire playlist of was it the field motion shit? I can't remember the name of this playlist. Now he says if he can name 10 of them that he took down, I'll kill myself on video live. That's how much he lies. He has no proof. He cannot fucking name or show them. He should kill himself. I think it's fair gamble. Dude, this is beyond not okay. And he's been reported, and here it is still on fucking YouTube. YouTube is complicit in death threats and fucking suicide. This is the level every morning I wake up to. It's not something I enjoy fucking documenting. It's something I fucking legally have to document. Because this motherfucker right here is nuts. And it's been proven time and time again. It's all going on Zipstrip and getting fucking put in court. This motherfucker right here needs to be stopped, and YouTube refuses to do dick about it. And this is going not only on my channel, it's going on BitChute, it's going on my motherfucking hard drive. And then it's going on a zip strip to the fucking police.